What inspired me to create Beverly Deluxe Organic Hair? Well, honestly, I closed my salon. Aveda wouldn't sell to me anymore, and that's what I was selling. And then I realized how many hairdressers were faced with that dilemma when they left. So they left a product company that they really liked and they believed in, and they threw them out to the street. They wouldn't sell to them anymore. Because anyone that wants to become their own businesswoman and work with Aveda, you had to build this grand salon. So Beverly Deluxe Organic Hair got created out of that. Also because I wanted to create something for me. Fine hair, I am the expert in fine hair. I come from Wisconsin. Everyone has fine hair. In fact, that's what I declared when I became a hairdresser. I said, okay, if I have to be a hairdresser, I'm going to be the best darn hairdresser for fine hair. And I am. I understand it. I understand hair as a fabric. And when you understand hair like a fabric, you know what you can and can't do with it. And this is what I will get into more depth with hairdressers, and with the release of my book, Be Hair Now, Hair as a Being, Not a Thing, in which you will learn about the fabric of hair and how to apply certain processes to it, how to take care of it, condition it, and style it. So Entrepreneur School is the same in that now, because I've gotten thrown out of these big product corporation families where they host all the education, the entrepreneur, the hairdresser that has decided to go on their own and be on their own needs a place to go. And this is how the Beverly D Entrepreneur School is going to assist hairdressers. It's going to give you a home. It's going to give you a family and a community so that you can communicate and connect with and network with and become one.